What is good, everybody? Today I'm going to be finally installing a little mod that I've been wanting to install for a very long time, and that is bumper quick releases. So you guys could see right here on the other side, actually, so my bumper is always like coming undone. This side is fine, but this other side here just dangles on the highway. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna install these today. These are BWRs. I got these at H-Day a while ago. I'm gonna start off with the crappy side, and I'm gonna drill into my bumper cover first. I'm basically going off of the length of the rubber band, pretty much, or whatever you want to call this, the rubber support. So what I'll do is when I have one drilled and already mounted on, I'll just stretch it, and then I'll mark with tape how far up this one goes so I can drill into there. So let's get her done. Shout out to Ben for the drill, because your boy has not invested in a drill yet. All these years I've been working on the car and I have no drill. So we're just finding a bit that's basically the same size as this little screw right here, so we can drill in. All right, so we got something like this, and I'm kind of just gonna mark this up with where I want it to go. This should fit right through the middle. Yeah, I could drill right through the middle of here. So essentially it's gonna be just like this, just like that. See exactly where I want to go. I think I'm gonna go right about here. Bigger. This ain't going through.
Oh, I think it's stopped too.
That's fine. Dude, this is not going through. All right, so what I did, I went small first. Obviously it's not going through, so I'm gonna try the next size up. You guys can see, and hopefully it fits this time. Should just go right through here. Trying to do this with one hand, so it's a little difficult here. Okay, that's through all the way, right? And then we're gonna put the washer right on this back side, like so. And then just this right here. All we need is one. We'll thread that on there, like so. All right, got our 10mm wrench. So we got a 10 mil. Put this right on the back here. Hold it. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Perfect, look at that. No movement. Stretch this with the tape here. We'll drill right here. Actually, I want to come down a little bit lower. Scratch that, scratch that. We'll go right here, looks about right. This is the sketchy part. Guys, I'm drilling through my damn paint. But it's a project, right? It doesn't really matter. Let's get it done. I just want to see how this is gonna look, actually.
That looks good.
Right here?
Mm-hmm.
Had to swap out the battery. Oh my god, that's so sketchy, dude. There's a hole in my freaking paint. There we go. All right, that's in, guys. Now I need to get the washer up behind that. Look at that, guys. Judge my work. First timer right there. Let's see if this works here. Oh my god, yo. No more movement, guys. No more movement. I think that looks sick, and it matches the calipers a little bit.
Just get that same measurement.
So be sure you guys like this video. Drop all your comments down below and subscribe for some more Honda and car content, guys. Let me know. Give me a rating down below on what you think of those. I'll see all of you in the next video. Peace out. And remember, never stop wrenching. All right, guys. Also, One of my sides doesn't have this in here, but this is for the bumper clips. This is for the support on the OEM bumpers. So it's gonna have 3 Phillips screws, one here, and one there. Just go ahead and take all those out. Little clips behind these. It's kind of hard to see, but you gotta kind of stick your finger up behind there and just push inward. And there's little like pins. All right, that's what it looks like, guys. These little clip things. So we're not gonna need this anymore.